Hi, this is Steve from Roofer 911. I'm at a home in Fairfax, Virginia. They need an estimate for roof repair. Now, the leak they have is like right about here. It's about 4 feet in, and then also they have a leak over here in the corner. Now, if you look really carefully, you can see the flashing along the wall is done really poorly, very unprofessional. And whoever installed it, they drove nails through the flashing and into the shingles underneath. So what we need to do is remove that entire length of flashing along the wall. We're going to build a little cricket over here as well. And there's a sheet of plywood over here that's rotten too. So that's going to be removed and replaced with new. After the flashing is removed, we're going to fully adhere ice and water shield to the plywood. And then we're going to bring the ice and water shield up the face of the wall about 4 inches. And then we'll install all new flashing and new shingles. Now also the plywood up here on the fascia board is rotten out because the gutter is pitched backwards. So the lowest point is here. So not only is the water overflowing over the front, but it's also going over the back, and the water is settling down inside the wall. So that upper gutter is going to be removed and replaced, and we're going to make sure it's pitched properly. Now after all this repair work is done, they're still going to have a leak, and I'll show you why. Here's the downspout. The gutter is lifted up at the highest point right here. Then it drops down quite a bit. In fact, this point over here is about 2 inches lower than it is here. And you can see the water's overflowing over the front and the wall is all wet, but also that water's going over the back. So this gutter and downspouts going to be removed and replaced with new. Now when we install the gutter, it's going to be a 6-inch gutter. We're going to lift it up as high as we can on the left side and then drop it down here, so this way all the water will flow to the drain. Now once these procedures are done, this leak will most definitely be in the past. Again, this is Steve from Roofer 911. We specialize in roof repair, roof replacement, and gutter and downspout replacement in Fairfax and all the areas of Northern Virginia. I can be reached at 703-475-2446, and our estimates are free. And I'd like to mention one other thing. They also have a valley up here. The valley's perfect, because if that valley was installed incorrectly, that can also attribute to the leak over here as well. But everything's good. Thank you.